Hello, good morning, students. I hope that you are fine and studying well. Today, we are going to start the next topic of tribals, Dikus, and the vision of a golden age. And now we'll discuss part number 4 of this chapter. And in this part, we will discuss the topic Birsa Munda. In the previous videos, we discussed about Birsa Munda, importance of the movement, and little knowledge about Birsa Munda. But now, today, we will discuss in detail something more about the life of Birsa Munda. So, let's start the topic Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda was born on 15th of November 1875 at Ulihatu in Bengal Presidency. At that time it was in Bengal Presidency, but now this place is situated in the Khunti district of Jharkhand. Sugna Munda was the father of Birsa Munda and Karmi Hatu Munda was the mother of Birsa Munda. Birsa's early years were spent with his parents at Chalakkad. It was a place. His early life could not have been very different from that of an average Munda child. Folklore refers to his rolling and playing in sand and dust with his friends, and his growing up strong and handsome in looks. He grazed sheep in the forest of Bhonda. When he grew up, he shared an interest in playing the flute, in which he became expert. He went round the tuila. Tuila was one stringed instrument made from the pumpkin. You can see in this picture, in the hand, and the flute strung to his waist. He came in contact with a Christian missionary who visited a few families in the village which had been converted to Christianity and attacked the old Munda order. Birsa's long stay at Chaibasa from 1886 to 1890 constituted a formative period of his life. This period was marked by the German and Roman Catholic Christian agitation. In light of freedom struggle, Sugna Munda withdrew his son from the school. So this was the turning point of Birsa Munda. Soon after leaving Chaibasa in 1890, Birsa and his family gave up their membership of the German mission and ceased to be Christian and reverted to his original traditional tribal religious system. Birsa Munda's slogan, threatening the British Raj, Abua Raj Seter Jana, Maharani Raj Tundu Jana. It means let the kingdom of the queen be ended and our kingdom be established. In the first video of this chapter we discussed about the same, that was remembered today in areas of Odisha, Bihar, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. In 1895, in Chalakkad village of Tamar, Birsa Munda renounced Christianity, asked his fellow tribesmen to worship only one god and give up worship of Bongas. He advised people to follow the path of purity, austerity, and prohibited cow slaughters. He gave orders to the Rayyats. Rayyats means tenant farmers, those people who used to grow the crops on the fields, to pay no rents. The Mundas called him Dharti Abba, means the father of earth, because Birsa Munda gave so many orders to the people, so many instructions to the people that were followed by the fellows of Birsa Munda. During the movement against the colonial rule on 5 January 1900, Birsa's followers killed 2 constables at Ekkede. On 7 January, they attacked Khunti police station, killed a constable and razed the houses of local shopkeepers. This was one of the major incidents of the movement. Birsa Munda was arrested at Jamkopai forest in Chakradharpur on 3 March 1900. There were 6 deaths, including that of Birsa Munda, in the prison during trials. Birsa Munda died in the jail on 9 June 1900 in Ranchi. However, the movement was significant in at least 2 ways. First, it forced the colonial government to introduce laws so that the land of the tribals could not be easily taken over by Dikus. Second, it showed once again that the tribal people had the capacity to protest against injustice and express their anger against colonial rule. They did this in their own specific way, inventing their own rituals and symbols of struggle. For example, like in this movement, Birsa Munda declared white flag as a symbol of movement. So dear students, these were some facts about Birsa Munda. I hope that you understood. You have to revise these points by watching this video again. If you have any doubt, you can write and ask me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.